Shenzhen TOPTAI Technology Company Limited was established in 2009, committed to produce power bank, wireless charger, and USB flash drive. From 2009 to 2017, we offer OEM, ODM in USB flash drive and power banks for international well-known brand and get Disney, Avon, Nestea brand authorization. In 2017, we expanded our product line, add wireless chargers. Till now, TOPTAI products export to US, UK, Germany, Netherlands, France, Italy, Korea, Japan, Brazil, Dubai, 79 countries and regions. And our products have GET, KC, BIS, CE, ROS, MSDS, UN 38.3, and UL certification and test report. In the past 14 years, 37% of customers have worked together over 5 years, 10% clients cooperation over 8 years, and they also introduce new clients to us. Now clients can get our products from mainly market big mall, also can get them from our web. TOPTAI R&D department is dedicated to provide original and innovative designs, products for famous online brand. We are good at development of plastic and metal aluminum materials products. For customers' ODM products, we offer full production services from ID design, inner structure, and technical solutions, mold development and production, PCB layout process. Follow us, you will get chance to get free new sample test and priority to get the new product launch notice.